20 daily life words. I'll give you a simple meaning and 2 real-life example sentences. Watch till the end. Let's get started. Battered. Meaning, to be hit hard many times by weather or objects. Here's the example sentence. Our house was battered by the heavy rain last night. Another sentence. The old car was battered and had many scratches. Kick off. Meaning, to start an event or a project. Here's the example sentence. Let's kick off the party with some music. Another sentence. The football match will kick off at 8 p.m. Drenched. Meaning, completely wet. Here's the example sentence. I forgot my umbrella and got drenched in the rain. Another sentence. His shirt was drenched with sweat after the gym. Likened. Meaning, point out the resemblance of someone or something to. Here's the example sentence. He likened the city's traffic to a messy spider web. Another sentence. The teacher likened our brains to sponges that soak up knowledge. Venue. Meaning, the place where an event happens. Here's the example sentence. The stadium is a great venue for a big concert. Another sentence. What is the venue for the wedding party? High octane. Meaning, very powerful, fast, and exciting. Here's the example sentence. The movie had a high-octane car chase at the end. Another sentence. I love the high-octane energy of a live show. Hiatus. Meaning, a break or a pause in work or activity. Here's the example sentence. The show is on a hiatus and will return next month. Another sentence. I took a short hiatus from social media to relax. Re-energized. Meaning, to feel full of energy again. Here's the example sentence. I felt re-energized after my afternoon nap. Another sentence. This coffee really helped me feel re-energized. Impromptu. Meaning, done, suddenly, without any planning. Here's the example sentence. We had an impromptu dance in the middle of the street. Another sentence. He gave an impromptu speech at the dinner. Sustained. Meaning, to experience something bad, like an injury. Here's the example sentence. He sustained a broken arm during the football game. Another sentence. The trees sustained damage during the storm. Makeshift. Meaning, using what you have because the real thing is missing. Here's the example sentence. We used a chair as a makeshift table for our lunch. Another sentence. They built a makeshift tent using old blankets. Segment. Meaning, small part of something bigger. Here's the example sentence. The first segment of the video is about vocabulary. Another sentence. I ate only one segment of the orange. Dampen. Meaning, to make a feeling or mood less strong. Here's the example sentence. Don't let the rain dampen your mood today. Another sentence. The bad news did not dampen her excitement. Brave. Meaning, to go into a difficult situation without fear. Here's the example sentence. We had to brave the cold to walk to the station. Another sentence. He braved the crowd to get to the front of the stage. Fold. Meaning, to mix or combine two things together. Here's the example sentence. You should fold the sugar into the cake mix slowly. Another sentence. The artist folds traditional music into modern songs. Strode. Meaning, to walk with long, confident steps. Here's the example sentence. The boss strode into the office and started working. Another sentence. She strode onto the stage and waved at the fans. Incendiary. Meaning, something that creates strong feelings or excitement. Here's the example sentence. The band gave an incendiary performance last night. Another sentence. His incendiary words made the crowd very angry. Propulsive. Meaning, something that pushes you forward or gives energy. Here's the example sentence. The song has a propulsive beat that makes you dance. Another sentence. The movie has a propulsive story that is never boring. Underdog. Meaning, a person or team that is expected to lose. Here's the example sentence. I always cheer for the underdog in sports. Another sentence. Even though they were underdogs, they won the game. Injustice. Meaning, something that is unfair or not right. Here's the example sentence. We must fight against injustice in the world. Another sentence. It is an injustice to treat people differently.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these two videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.